Guess what, guys? We're going on a field trip. We're going to Olak. I'm so excited. I've never been. It's an all-vegan restaurant here in LA with what I've heard to be some amazing raw options. So I'm gonna take you along with me. My boyfriend and I are going. I know I'm gonna get the Ito burrito. That's what everyone's been suggesting. We're gonna split a few other things. I just don't know what yet. And we're gonna bring some dessert home. Of course, we are definitely going to do that. So I hope you guys have fun and I hope I do a good job because I'm not used to vlogging at all. Let me know in the comments if you wanna see more videos like this, what else you wanna see. And I can't wait to do this again, and I haven't even done it yet. Probably not gonna do an outro, so I just wanna thank you guys in advance for liking, commenting, subscribing, and watching this video. I hope you love it, and I will see you en route to the restaurant. I hope you guys have a good time. Bye. I think that is the original Tommy's, and I've eaten there more times than I care to admit. Have you eaten at this one? These are the old stomping grounds for sure. It's where I grew up.
You get the cheese and noodles. I'll take a bite, and then I'll get something else, and then I eat from that leftovers.
Okay.
Eat that again.
What leftovers?
I'm saying the split one thing.
Yeah.
Does that sound good?
Perfect.
And then we'll bring that dessert to home.
Okay. Should I take this off?
That sound good?
Sounds perfect. So did we decide what we're getting? What are we gonna get?
Eat a burrito, cheesy noodles, and a banh mi.
Okay. You guys hear that? Banh mi, the cheesy noodles, and we're gonna split the Ito burrito. We're gonna split everything that's raw. He's gonna have all the cooked stuff. But it's all plant-based, it's all vegan. I love these chopsticks. Black wood.
It's already 5 o'clock.
I'm so hungry. These are the cheese noodles. So good. It's warm. It smells really yummy, you guys. Oh my god, this looks so good. It's nice and soft. Look, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Amazing. Amazing. Best noodles, best raw noodles I've ever had. I can't get over how good these cup noodles are. They're so soft. Oh my god. Sorry. Alright, let's do that again. These kelp noodles are ridiculously good. They're so soft and warm and cheesy. I am like floored. I don't know how comfortable I am eating on camera. guys, I'm gonna take my first bite. Here it is. Tastes just like beans. So good. Thank you for recommending it. Oh, it's spicy. That jalapeno sauce is spicy. I think I'm good without it. All raw, guys. All raw vegan. Unbelievable. What do you think, honey? He loves it, and he loves the banh mi. Banh mi is not raw, though. We gotta try to make this at home. We have to try. Oh my god. Those cheesy noodles. Insane. And this Ito burrito is everything they said and more. Thank you, honey. Yeah, I really like this. So we brought a couple desserts home. This is the chocolate ecstasy, I believe it's called. And then we also got the tiramisu.